Okay, so I left this section right here so you guys can see what I'm doing. And remember, we're using first. I'm going to start with some just some regular old water, nothing else in there. I actually just washed and deep conditioned my hair also using this product along with just some Aussie Moist conditioner for the deep conditioning. I did that overnight. My hair was beautifully moisturized. Then we're going to do a little bit of the leave-in, and then we're going to do my favorite moisturizer. Then we're going to close it all in with extra virgin olive oil. Now I also got the oil, but I'm not going to actually oil my scalp right now because what I plan to do is do a braid pattern and then put some faux locks in. So I'll wait until I have more parts, more exposed scalp, and then I'll go ahead and put the oil in. I also got my ends trimmed, actually twice now, so in the last 30 days, they've been trimmed twice. For those of you who have watched any of my other videos, you know that I've kind of been trying to get my hair to thicken up a little bit, and my goodness, my hair is definitely a lot healthier, and the trims help with this entire process with the detangling and whatnot. All right, so that was the water. Now, here's what I want you to catch with this right here, okay? This sprays on, but you know, with these types of consistencies, let me see if I can do it here. See, you think that what just happened there, you think that's going to happen on the hair, right? But it doesn't. Watch. Like, really? What kind of hocus pocus? Okay. And then I just got too excited because I actually love this product. But let me break this down just a little bit because that's way too much hair at one time. So what I've been doing, I'm about to apply way too much just to show you guys, but what I usually did on all the other sections was just a couple like that on the other side and then on my ends. And then just as it explains, rub from root to ends. God, it smells so good. Lord, I can't get over how good it smells. It smells so good. And this is one of those products, it just feels like your hair is eating well. It feels really healthy on the hair. So just going from root to tip, using my fingers to detangle, and then make sure that the bristles of the brush are touching my scalp gently so that it kind of rubs in that product a little bit. It kind of gives me like a massage. So I just let that kind of work the product all the way down from the roots to the ends, slight massage, as well as it's detangling. So, man, it feels good, it smells good. All right, for the moisturizer, I'm gonna put it on also from root to tip. You know, this little method right here, I was like, here, what is that? Why they do this right here? What is it? What is this called? But, for real, in all seriousness, for real, like, it does help with smoothing my hair. So, I've started doing it. Hey, if it works, why not? All right, and then I'm gonna take this and get that in there as well. And look at that, you can start seeing the shine already. That is insane, okay. All right, and then we're gonna use our olive oil. And let me try and be great. That much. All right, and then I work that from the tips, from the ends to the root. And y'all see that this is actually one of my trouble areas. Same thing on the other side as well. And so when I use the oil, I'm gonna make sure to concentrate on these areas. So this area right here, basically on the other side, you can tell it's thin. See that? It's been that way for years, for the majority of my life, to be quite frank, but I think it's gotten progressively worse. So I'm gonna make sure to focus the oil there. And then there's also another spot in the usually around about here-ish. That is also a trouble area. I don't know if you can see that very well or not. And then this entire bottom section over here is a weak spot. You girls sometimes get lazy and frustrated with hair. So if I'm taking down a style and it's working my nerves, scissors. Not recommended. Then I'm just putting this away in a twist. Brushing through the ends again to make sure that they are on the final detangle. And all I'm doing right now is just moisturizing, and then I'll do the braid pattern later. I'm hoping that the faux locks are washed, because I have used them. If not, guess what? It's gonna be a wig this week. All right, I'm going in with more of the strengthener. Do I need any more? No, I love it. So I'm putting some more. Starting at the ends, working my way back up to the roots. I'm not going all the way through this section. I don't know if you can tell that, but I'm not going all the way through. I'm kind of getting some hair color, that's what I'm doing. But I'm starting, and then I'm just going through this side. And I'll do that until I'm kind of clear, like meaning I don't feel any snags. Do it from another side. Same thing from another side, which would be the back side in this instance, what we're looking at here. And then do the same thing from the bottom. And so it feels like I'm clear, so now I can rub this brush against the scalp freely without ripping my hair out. So if you saw the video that I did on my daughter's hair and I was talking about the box method, that's what I'm talking about. So I put the bristles some of the way through, clear that side, some of the way through, clear that side, some of the way through, clear that side, and some of the way through and clear that side. And by the time you're finished, it's pretty much detangled all the way through. So probably you don't have all those issues with breaking your hair off or it being so painful to detangle. For those of you who watch my videos over and over again and return to watch other videos, do me a favor and go ahead and subscribe. Come on, join the fam bam. Be a part of the whatever squad that we are. But you are definitely welcome. We love to have you. We are a positive zone. Come be yourself, chill out, relax. If you like what you see, great. Go ahead and thumbs up the video. Share it with somebody who can benefit from it. It's all about trying to get this hair healthy, because as you know, or if you don't know, I'm gonna tell you now, if you're looking for hair wealth, it's gonna start with hair health. The length that some people shoot for, it starts with hair health. So with healthy hair, this section of the hair is somewhere right there. I will also probably do a dedicated review on this product because I actually love it, but I did want you guys to see how I was actually using it right now. And then at some point, once I've used it for a while, I'll come back and show you where we are, because I've already shown you, you know, the problem areas and how we're gonna use that. So over time, you guys can be on this journey with me. So we'll let this finish drying out, moisturizing. We'll do a braid pattern. I may or may not show you how I do the braid pattern because I have a few other videos for that you can take a look at. Yeah, so that is pretty much it. Take something with you. The thing I want you to take with you today is for you to go out there and be responsible for your actions. And remember that kindness is key. All right? Peace. Bye, girl.